Welcome to this introduction to HTML. Whether you're just starting out in web development or refreshing your skills, this video will guide you through the fundamentals of HTML, the backbone of web pages. HTML, or Hypertext Markup Language, is the standard language used to create and structure web pages. It's not a programming language, but a markup language that tells the browser how to display content. As of now, the current version of HTML is HTML5, which has introduced a range of new features, like new elements for embedding multimedia, native support for video and audio, and more powerful web APIs. It's what most modern websites use today. Now let's dive into the structure of an HTML document. Every HTML page starts with a few essential tags, known as the boilerplate. These tags set up the framework for your web page. First, the doc-type HTML declaration tells the browser that we're using HTML5. This should always be the first thing in your file. Next, we have the HTML tag. This encloses the entire HTML document and signals the start of your content. Inside the HTML tag, we typically have two main sections, the head and the body. The tag contains meta information about the page, like the title, which appears in the Browser tab, and links to external resources like style sheets or fonts. The tag contains all the content visible on the web page: text, images, links, and more. It's where you'll spend most of your time working. To summarize, an HTML document consists of a declaration and container and two main sections, and. This basic structure is the foundation of every web page you build. Thanks for watching this introduction to HTML. Be sure to check out our other videos to dive deeper into the world of web development.